Hello and welcome on into today's do-it-yourself streaming and content creation video. Today I'm going to be showing you some simple uses for masks that I use when I'm making my shorts for YouTube and TikTok. As you can see, I've already made my edit, so we don't have to worry about any of that. We're going to go straight into the using of the masks. We have two masks here, the rectangular one and then the freehand one. So first up, we're going to use the rectangular. So I'll use this to get rid of, the events up the top and sometimes the chat. You just click on that, make sure you have the correct layer selected, and quite simply just click and drag. If you want to adjust it a little bit, you can just grab it and drag it around like so. Okay, so next I'm going to show you quickly how to use the freehand masking tool. So for this purpose, we are going to add a webcam shot to the top of the layer. You see it's popped up there, but we haven't masked it out yet. So just zoom in a little bit. Make sure we have the correct layer selected. Grab the freehand tool, and it's just like any other cutting tool. So you just start your click. If you've got a nice square webcam, it's obviously a lot easier. I've got a bit of a curved one with an emblem. It doesn't take too long. And you can adjust. If you make a little mistake, you can adjust the angles, which is good. Can be a bit of a pain in the ass sometimes to zoom in and zoom out on the sections you want. If you find yourself having that trouble, probably should have mentioned we're on Hitfilm Express. I'll leave the link in the description below. It's a free video editing program. It's quite easy and simple to use. Has plenty of free effects and tools for you to use. So quite simply, that is it. You can just go in, make sure you got your angles right. You want to make any adjustments, slight adjustments you can do. Now, if you do have multiple clips and you want to use the webcam in the same spot for each one, quite simply just copy the mask, make sure you click on the correct layer and paste the mask in so you don't have to do it over and over again. That's it. In future videos, I will show you how to keyframe masks and create a animated text logo for starting soon, ending now, things like that. So it looks like you're writing on the screen. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, catch you later.